And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we'll be going over Phantom 1 Profit USDC. This is part of the Phantom network, and this is a staking protocol where you stake USDC, a stablecoin, in the Phantom network and earn USDC. There is no volatility and it's based off of $1. In this video I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial how to get USDC. We're going to stake 20 USDC and go over some of their documents. But before we get started, make sure to visit my channel where I release the latest DeFi projects. Phantom 1 USDC was just recently launched, and this is time sensitive material. Let's get back to the video. So Phantom 1 Profit USDC launched just a few minutes ago at the time of this recording, so it's still very early on, and you need to connect your MetaMask wallet to get started. You connect up here. I'm already connected. And let's take a look at the plans. They have two very simple basic plans. They have the USDC Magic and the USDC Stake plans. For the Magic plan, you will earn 16% daily, and this is a 7-day plan. You'll earn 12% there instead of 112%. When you invest in these staking plans, there is a sunk cost. That means when you invest your money, you lose that deposit. It's a purchase of a plan. You do earn 16% daily on that investment, but after the 7 days, you will only be making 12%. And if you go for 30 days, you'll be making 140% return there, 8% daily on a stable coin. So no volatility and pretty awesome rewards if you want to stake some stable coins. If we scroll down, this is how you use the app. You have the USDC Magic and the USDC Stake plan. Select which plan you want to go with, and you enter the amount here. And here it will tell you your stats. Here you can either withdraw those available rewards at any time. That's one neat feature that you can withdraw at any time, or you'll get a bonus if you reinvest your profits. It reads here, for each wallet address, the maximum number of deposits is 100. You cannot have more than 100 deposits, and 20 plus bonus on reinvesting in 8% daily plan, which is the USDC stake plan. So you will get a bonus if you invest for 30 days. You can see here, plus 20% bonus reinvestment if you continue to roll those profits. If we go down, it shows you your positions here. I tested one out. We'll do another one right now. We'll deposit an additional 20 USDC. And here it tells you the total value investment of the contract. It's currently at $10,000 staked, and the total referral rewards there. They've paid out $518 in referrals. They do have an incentive affiliate program. So how do you obtain USDC? What you want to do is go to spookyswap.finance. Once you're here, you want to go to the swap section. Once you come to the swap section, you select Phantom here, the native token to the Phantom network. And then here, you look for USDC. It's already selected, but you will search it here. By default, I believe is a Spooky token, but we want to go with the USDC. Perfect. And here you put the amount of USDC you want to buy, or the amount of Phantom you want to use to buy USDC. So we can type in something like, I want to buy $20. USDC is 1:1 to the US dollar, so that is a stable coin of the Phantom network. And you press swap here, and then you confirm. After you confirm, you will have USDC. Once you have USDC, you can come back here and you can stake your tokens. So for this example, let's go with the USDC Magic plan. I'll earn 16% daily, and that's a max profit of 112%. In reality, that is 12% after the sunk cost. So let's come here and let's deposit 20 USDC. I have it. And it calculates here your profit. I'll be making $2.40 there on a $20 investment. And you can put any denomination just to see those profits. Let's just say we invest $500. You'll make $60 after 7 days. The beauty of this app is that you can claim your rewards daily here. Now, if you want a higher return, you can go to the 30 days and additional bonus incentives for reinvesting. So let's go back here. Let's stake 20 USDC here. you need FTM token for the gas, which is just pennies, and you probably already have if you have the Phantom network. So then you stake here. The first time you stake, you have to approve the transaction. Since I already approved it in my previous staking plan, I don't have to approve it again. And then you press confirm. So if you're doing this for the first time, you might have to press stake, approve the contract, and then press stake again to actually invest those tokens. So you have to do it twice when you do it the first time. So it says it was successful. Let's refresh here. And there we go. So now they're deposited. So now I have a total of 25 USDC deposited into this staking platform. And if you scroll down here, it shows my positions. I have one 7-day plan here with 20 USD, with 20 USDC, and another plan here with 5 USDC. And you can see now we're at $11,000 staked, and it's still very early on. If you have any questions, you can come in here and ask the development team. If we go to the white papers, it basically explains everything I just showed you guys. It tells you the plans, the return on investment. Let's keep scrolling. The reinvestment bonus is valid just for Phantom stake plan, not for the regular magic plan. You can withdraw the rewards and reinvest the earnings as many times as you want. And basically everything we just covered about the app. So the minimum to stake here is 5 USDC, and that is Phantom 1 Profit USDC. It's a very simple application where you can earn rewards on your stablecoins. Pretty cool staking plan. Now, full disclosure, these are high risk projects, Ponzi-nomics in full effect. So in order to get those payouts, obviously, you need new investors coming in to be able to cover that cost. This was just launched a few minutes ago, so it's still very early on, and you can secure those nice returns. In addition to the risk, you can come here daily and withdraw it as often as you would like, just in case if there is some sort of rug pull or funds run out, at least you'll be able to recoup a portion of your investment. I feel a little safer when there is that ability to withdraw daily, since you'll be able to get your money back slowly. So that is Phantom 1 Profit USDC. I will leave a link under the description of this video if you want to come check this out. I will also leave a link for Spooky Swap for your convenience if you want to swap some FTM for USDC so that you can stake that stablecoin. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found this video of any value, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. And if you made it this far, I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.